Welcome to the world of awards and recognition. Our awards are divided into 3 different categories. And before I introduce the first category of awards, I'd like to start off with what was the first session we started? The first panel discussion. Sorry? Achievements in future, okay? Exactly, 50 years of nephrology, and I think that was a great panel discussion, and something that came up in the panel discussion are some pioneers who set the stage for us to move forward. And that's exactly what the first category is about, the pioneers in kidney care. We have 4 of them who will be receiving this award, and 3 of them are no more, but we do have their family members who will collect the awards on their behalf. Can I request Vasundhara Raghavan to join me on stage to present this set of awards? Pioneer in kidney care. Our first doctor to join us on stage is Dr. Muthu Krishnan Mani. Dr. Mani is from Chennai. He's not here. Dr. Sundar, can you pick it up on his behalf? My apologies to the PPT team. I know I didn't go in your order, so I'll come back to that order. Our next doctor is late Dr. H.L. Trivedi. Late Dr. K.S. Chugh. Anyone's here from Dr. Vijay K's office? No. Vijay K's office, someone was here. Is that person there? And then we have late Dr. M.S. Amarasan. Ladies and gentlemen, may I request you all to please give our 4 doctors a big hand of applause. I think some amazing work done that I think our doctors over here are taking forward. Thank you very much, Vasundhara, for presenting the awards. And can I request Dr. Rita to please join me on the dais to present the next set of awards. And this is Excellence in Nephrology. Dr. Vijay Kher. I think Dr. Vijay is not here. Do we have anybody to pick up the award on his behalf? Next we have Dr. Sankaran Sundar. Followed by Dr. Sudarshan Balal. By Dr. Vivekanand Jha, who is not present out here. Do we have somebody to pick up the award on behalf of Dr. Jha? Dr. K. Jacob. Dr. Mohan Rajapurkar. I think doctor is not around, so we'll move on to the next award. Dr. A. Gopal Krishna. Who will pick it up, Doc? Dr. Anuradha, can you please pick up the award on behalf of Dr. Gopal? Dr. Kashi Vishveshwaran. Dr. Thomas Matthew. Dr. Thomas is also not here. Dr. Deepak S. Ray. Dr. Dilip. For excellence in nephrology, we have Dr. Dilip Pahar. Hari. Next we have Dr. Gandhi, who is not present out here. Followed by Dr. Arup Ratan. Followed by Dr. Sabeshwar. I think he's not here, so we'll move on. We have Dr. Arvind Baga. Dr. Arvind Baga, are you present here? Next we have Padma Shri Dr. Hemant Kumar. Next we have Padma Shri Dr. D.S. Rana, who was present with us in the morning, but he's not here right now. Dr. Kumud Mehta. Dr. R.N. Srivastava. Doctor is also a pediatric nephrologist. Followed by Dr. Muthu Jayaraman. Next we have Dr. Anuradha Raman. Continue excellence in nephrology. Our next doctor on the dais will be Dr. Vimala. For all the award winners, we have boxes for your trophies. Kindly stay back and pick up your boxes. Our next doctor is Dr. Nandita Chowdhury. Now welcome Dr. Sanjeev Gulati for excellence in nephrology. pleased to present the next set of awards. The next set of awards is Contribution to Kidney Care. And these are individuals who need a thunderous round of applause because they do something else in life, but somewhere on the journey of CKD, they learn to give back. And to begin with, we have Mrs. Hemali, along with her husband Prashant. Can both of you join us on stage? Hemali and Prashant, both in their own unique way, have been doing some amazing work in the legal space. Currently, Hemali taking over as a Rotary Club of Organ Donation President. She's doing some fabulous work with prevention and with organ donation awareness. Next, we have Mrs. Lata Kumaraswamy from Tanka Foundation. We now call upon a very dear friend, Anil Srivatsa, a donor to his brother and a brand ambassador promoting organ donation, not just in India but across the world. Anil, can you please call your beloved wife who drives along with you everywhere? All the winners in this category stay back. We have to take one group photograph. Next, we have Dr. Umesh Khanna, who's not here, followed by Dr. Georgie Abraham, who's not present here but from Chennai. And of course, we have the lovely Dr. Bharat Shah. Vasundhara is cheering for Mumbai over here now. Dr. Bharat Shah from Narmada Kidney Foundation. We do not have our next doctor here, but this is Dr. Sunil Shroff from Mohan Foundation. Oh, we have somebody present over here. Thank you. Sapien Foundation, we have Dr. Rajan Ravichandran, who's not present out here, but I don't know if we have a representative. Dr. Ravichandran is from Chennai, doing some great work on salt. And of course, we have Mr. Kamal Shah. Can we have a bigger round of applause, please? Since we have Kamal Shah on stage, Hemali, Prashant, Anil, Dr. Bharat Shah, our representative from the Mohan Foundation, can you join us on stage for a group photograph? say a big thank you because I think all of them have come, are not from Delhi. They've actually flown in from different parts of the country. So thank you so much, everybody. And thank you very much, Dr. Venkatesh, for presenting those awards. Can we have the house music switched off, please? For the first category for pioneers in kidney care, we have late Dr. Indrabhushan Sinha. I request Dr. Hemant Kumar to please collect the award on behalf of the family.
Sinha was my mentor.
Okay, this is an announcement. We have found a phone. If anybody is searching for your phone, please meet us. It'll be in the console. I'm going to request all the award winners, doctors, from the first, second, and the third category to join us for one more group photograph, please. But while the doctors are coming on stage to join us, I'd like to say it's rightly said that all good things should come to an end. Ladies and gentlemen, I think this has been a fabulous day, and that brings us to the end of the KWF Conclave 2026. And may this not be the end, but may it be the beginning to a journey where we move together with one vision, one future, and one purpose. This is me, Marianne, signing off, wishing you all a very good evening once again. God bless you and always keep smiling. Thank you.